Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, Just a Man and His Deuce and a Half. My name is Bill, and so just to recap, we rebuilt the pump, basically just put a new seal in it. The O-rings were still fine, and I was reluctant with putting the radiator back on because it's a big pain in the butt if it was still just going to leak. But I've been checking it every day. I run it until she starts to get a little bit warm, and then I shut it off, and then I've been checking the power steering fluid levels, and it's holding. It is still holding. So today we're going to put the radiator back in. Yeah, again. All right. Well, let's get right to it. All right. Whew, that wasn't that bad. That was actually easy. Next is I got to put some water in it, and then we'll take it down the road and see what she does. All right. Well, let's get to it. All right. I believe that trip was a complete success. Um, I will keep monitoring the power steering levels for the next few days, and heck, hopefully that's fixed. Huh. I hope so. Anyway, I hope you all enjoy the video. Um, I appreciate it, everyone, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. All right, bye now.
Tree Dad.